In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your QuickBooks license number with our full 2020 guide. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or simply misplaced your license information, this guide will help you locate it effortlessly. Knowing where to find your license number is crucial for various reasons, including software upgrades, customer support, and troubleshooting. Let's get started. First, open QuickBooks and navigate to the home screen. You'll want to look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a small gear icon. This gear icon is your go-to tool for accessing various settings and configurations within QuickBooks. It's often strategically placed where you can easily see and click it. Think of the gear icon as your key to the control panel of your accounting tools, providing you with quick access to essential features. Once you've identified and clicked on the gear icon, you're going to see a menu with multiple options. From this menu, you'll want to locate and select Additional Info. It's important to note that this section contains a wealth of information regarding your QuickBooks setup. It's like the database of all your QuickBooks software details, from basic account settings to vital information about your license. By clicking on Additional Info, you're opening up the details that govern your software usage. Finally, within the Additional Info section, you'll see your QuickBooks license number displayed among the other details. It's right there, usually bold and easy to spot, often presented with the other registration information related to your QuickBooks account. This number is unique to your subscription and will be necessary whenever you need to interact with QuickBooks for service or upgrades. Make sure you record this number in a safe place to keep it readily available for any future needs. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've now easily located your QuickBooks license number. Keeping your license number on hand ensures that you're prepared for any situation that may arise with your software. It's an effortless process that saves time and helps maintain the smooth operation of your business accounting software. We hope you found this guide useful and straightforward. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to QuickBooks support for further assistance. They're equipped to help resolve any concerns you might have. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials. Keep your financial tools in check and your business running smoothly.